In November 2024, the leadership team of the World Federation of Hemophilia Humanitarian Aid Program travelled to New Delhi, India, with one simple objective: to witness the impact of the WFH Humanitarian Aid Program. For patients like Rahul, the program has been life-changing.
पहले तो कुछ नहीं करता था, बैठे बैठे ये सोचता रहता था क्या दिक्कत होगी, कैसे आगे होगा। ज़्यादातर गेम खेल ली, टाइम नहीं कटता था, लेकिन अब धीरे धीरे सब सही होता जा रहा है। और अब वर्ल्ड फेडरेशन हीमोफीलिया की तरफ से हेल्प मिलने के बाद मैं काफ़ी सही हो चुका हूँ पहले से।
मेरा राहुल तो चल फिर रहा था, लेकिन बीच में अचानक ही इसको दिक्कत होने लगी। पेन किलर लेने लगा, इंजेक्शन्स लेने लग गया, जिसकी वजह से बेड पे आ गया ये। बिल्कुल दुनिया से फ्रेंड वगैरह इसके सारे कट होने लग गए। मेरे को टेंशन इतनी रहती थी, पता नहीं क्या होगा, यही सोचती थी मैं कि पता नहीं भगवान कहाँ से एक सूरज की रोशनी मिले। पूरे टाइम में इसके पापा ने भी साथ छोड़ दिया हमारा। छोटे बेटे ने भी अपनी पढ़ाई को स्टॉप कर दिया, कॉलेज नहीं गया वो। फिर घर की सिचुएशन छोटे बेटे ने संभाली और फिर हमारे को फेडरेशन की तरफ से हेल्प मिली। इसके मन में था कि हाँ मुझे अब ठीक होना है, मुझे बाहर की दुनिया देखनी है। अब पहले से बहुत अच्छी कंडीशन है, जैसे अंधकार से हम रोशनी में आए हैं।
Access to treatment is the backbone of care for people with hemophilia. The WFH Humanitarian Aid Program is working in collaboration with 2 hospitals across the National Capital Region. They visited them to see firsthand how their support translates into life-saving action, from storage and distribution of medicines to the dedication of doctors and staff delivering critical care.
We've had around 15 guests today who visited our center. They looked at the services we provide, from the infusion centers to the training which we offer for our nurses and our doctors, to the infusion, where is the infusion stored, how do we dispense the medicines, where are the tests done, how is the lab functioning, where is the physiotherapy given, what are the services available for physiotherapists. And they also met with our faculty members, both medical and surgical specialties which have been actively involved in hemophilia care. It's an extremely fulfilling visit, and I thank the WFH for this opportunity.
After their visit to the Postgraduate Institute of Child Health Noida, the WFH team visited the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, the following day. During their visit, they engaged with the faculty to discuss patient care, factor supply, and explored opportunities for future collaboration to enhance healthcare services for patients. The visit concluded at the Hemophilia Federation of India's local office, a space where collaboration turns vision into action. Here, the team engaged with the people driving change on the ground.
So we are very happy to welcome the entire delegation of the humanitarian aid team along with their vice president and board members to India. It's always a very, very beautiful moment when the mother organization visits us, and we are sure and confident that we'll be collaborating stronger in the coming years and taking hemophilia care in India and the world to greater heights.
Throughout this journey, the WFH Humanitarian Aid Program leadership witnessed the real-world impact of the program. Patients like Rahul, whose lives have been transformed, hospitals delivering care with compassion, and local teams working tirelessly to make a difference. This visit was more than an observation. It was a reaffirmation of WFH's global commitment to treatment for all.